Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to use a soundboard in Discord. So my personal preference or my personal favorite soundboard is this one, which is called Voice Mod, and you could use any soundboard you want, but for me, I want to use Voice Mod since it has many effects and stuff. Wait for your application to open up. As you can see, Voice Mod is open now. We'll go to so as you can see, there's soundboard here. So just go to settings first and make sure that the input is the same as your microphone here. So I use the USB condenser microphone. Once you're done with that, go to soundboard, and you can see all these like effects right here. So go back to Discord now and go to user settings here on the left bottom corner here, and go to voice and video under app settings, and make sure so that the soundboard can be used. Pick microphone voice mod virtual audio device here. Click on that. Once you're done with that, make sure that this is turned off and it's on manual mode here. And go down a little here and make sure that echo cancellation is turned off too, and that noise suppression is set to none. Once you're done with that, you can now join a lobby with a friend or someone, and you can now use the soundboard. So, for example, just click on here. So as you can see, the soundboard will now connect here, and your friends or someone could listen to it. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because they help reach more people. See you on the next one.